May pusa pala dito. Hi guys. Big boy. Big boy. Where we are? You want to take a picture here? Come here, here, big boy. Show us. Okay. Walking around. Ne, baka dito. Panda Express?
No Panda Express today.
No Panda Express today.
We don't need Panda. Wow, wow. Akan man Panda Express.
Hi, Miss Mamatid. Dito, oh. O, diba? Wow. Hi. Si JM. Nakita na naman ng airplane. Wait lang daw. Wait.
Mommy. I guess to use that way. The airplane. I said the airplane used to that airplane. This way. The first one I thought was straight that way. Yeah. Straight. How many minutes do you have to live?
Yes. Miss Mamatid, alisin mo yung cellphone sa bulsa mo. Ne, si Miss Mamatid sabi ko alisin yung cellphone sa bulsa.
Nakuha niyo na nga yan para dito napanakaw niyo na.
Ay, sis.
I guess we're gonna stay here for 24 hours.
24
You
hours.
said?
I didn't say we're going to be here 24 hours. Wow, Jan, that's a whole day.
Yeah.
That would be till tomorrow.
Yes.
We'll be here like 8 or 10 hours.
Then. But then also
A
nothing.
long time. Oh, you'll be so tired. You'll be...
The cliffs are really moving.
Okay. Big boy.
Gotta go pee.
Go pee. With that. ni Daddy mo. Hanapin mo daw yung sign na duty free. Big boy, go there. Picture at ko kayo ni ate. Guys, ang lawak ng ano, ng MOA. Tapos hindi pa bukas, napaaga yung dating namin. We're not in America. Kain muna kami, guys. Ang taba ko. Bibi. Ganun yung big mo.
I just make a new profile.
We don't have no.
This way it's processing everything. I'm processing everything.
Ba't ba taba ko dito sa camera? Ang laki ng mukha. Eating our food. Kumain na ang mga gutom. Sobo-sobo.
Careful.
I love the rice. It's some rice.
You're elbowing her.
Mabuti ko, ma'am.
That's good. Honey walnut's good, isn't it? Chicken's better than the other place. Now we end it out, we go somewhere.
SM sa Big Boy. Tagal naman nila. Tagal nila. Go call them. Come on. Hi, baby.
Oh, they got lasers here. Wow.
What are lasers?
Flying princess.
Big boy. Go here, will ano. Picturean mo nga ni.
Ikaw na, mama.
Baby.
Wait, baby. Buy your tickets. Ano yan? Promotional kinere kayo. Oo.
Big boy. Ange. Bloated.
Di naman.
Kaya nga.
Ate! Pagdaw mo ka ba?
Yun na kayo meron.
Gusto mo tingin tayo? Nag-retouch lang. Ano, paglabas mo, fresh ka na. Akala mo, kaka-makeup.
Dapat pala ginawa ko, hindi ako nila ng makeup.
Dito, no? Gusto ko yung blush tsaka yung 2-in-1 kinelo. Kasi parang, hindi naman kasi ano. Ay, alam mo hindi sa pigment. What?
Gusto daw niya umakyat.
Polar bear.
Parang puro sale yung nakikita ko.
Or what?
Sale.